Hey y'all, welcome to the Gabusa Ocean Day 1. Now, I'm pretty landlocked and I have not been to the ocean in, 14, 15 years. So it's kind of hard for me to remember. But I know that I'm going to remember after I watch all of your all's videos throughout this whole thing. And I hope you guys enjoy mine. So let's get to it. Love y'all.
Like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Discover Picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. Fools like them, they search me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them on devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they search me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
I think this turned out more like a mountain lake at sunset, to me anyway. Now, for the sharks, those might be some super soldier zombie sharks. Anyway, Ashi, thank you so much for keeping my little toe in the water, so to speak. And I love y'all. Until next time, peace, love, light, and laughter. Bye-bye.